If you need to replace your print roller drive, that's this gear right here. It's green and it's attached to the print roller right here.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande Scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande Scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande Scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales weight price labeling product.
You have to take these two screws out, and then that's how easy that one is to replace. The next one right here is your intermediate gear. That has to be taken out with a screwdriver, and you take your screwdriver and you pop out this little keeper here, and it comes out. You can replace that. The next gear right here, that is your stripping roller clutch, and that you got to take out by turning on this side and taking these two screws out with your T20. Now that I got this last screw out, this little plate will come off, and pop this roller out, and that spot is where you need to grease them up at, and you can use a alcohol wipe to clean this off with. And then you take your screwdriver and you slide it right there in that keeper. And then this will pop out. And reverse is how you put it back together.